So on this aspect, we'll be looking at some questions where we have our y to be 3x squared plus 13, and then our function of x is between 0 and 4. These are one question. Another question goes like this: y is 1 plus 5x plus 6x squared, and our function is between 0 and this. There's another question that goes like this. Okay, let me just remove this. So let's make use of this. In case you have this sign like this, I have 1 over x plus 5. And our function, now this one does not tell us where our function is, but it's already integrated, it's already shown in the sign. So let us go straight to the point now. Let us go straight to the point. So what we'll be having here now is that for number 1, to solve this number 1 now, so we just make use of a calculator. We just go straight, press our integral sign. So when we arrive at something like this, then inside this box, like I said, you press your question 3. How do we get our x? We deduct that in our former class. You can just check on 16 plus 13. Then once you input this, then you take it down to the lower limit. Lower limit is 0. Then the upper limit is 4. Then what you just need to use suppress or equal to sign. So your answer for this is 116. Then let's go to the second question, integrate. Just input our question. Now, why I'm saying we're having more classes is because under this point here now, there are some questions will need to be deduced. We'll deduce some questions so as to make us conversant with some methods. Now, in this question, now solving with your hand, it is going to be in a log form. Are you getting me now? It's going to be in two ways. It's either going to be in a log form or it's going to be in. So now with this one now, what you just need to understand here is that make sure you open your bracket, then you put your question in fraction, then you have 1, input your answers, input your questions plus 5, then you take your cursor to the other side, then close your bracket. Then after, you can now put your limits 0 and 5. So having done these two, you can now press your equal to sign. Now, having done this, you can now press your equal to sign. So now, like I said, this question is in two ways. It's either you have the answer to be in log form or you have it to be in decimal. So now, if this question, the right answer to this question has to be in log form, which is log 2 base e. So in any of your option, you can have your a to be log e base 1, b log e base 2, c 2 log e base 2, d log e base 4. So then you should just know that you convert all these to your answers, then this will surely give you. So let's convert, let's test, let's check, let's press this button, then under it you have alpha e. This is the alpha and this is your exponential button, alpha and this is exponential button. Then after pressing, then you can now take your cursor to the other side and press 2, and press equal to. You can see you arrive at the same answer we got here. So this is your answer. So just take note of that. So with this, we can be able to solve. Let's try. Should be able to solve this question s21 1 over x squared dx. So try solve this. DM. Once you are done solving, just reply and drop your comment. Then we'll review your answers. Then we'll go to our next episode. More review or replies will determine if we should proceed. So just try kindly subscribe, reply, like, share, so that we can also proceed to solve some other questions like the logarithm form and the trig form. So the next class will be solving trig form of integral, like integrating trig function. So subscribe and also share. Thank you.